Hello everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If you've been hearing about the new Comet browser and wondering whether it's actually worth downloading or if it's just another browser claiming to be different, then this video is for you. Today, I'll give you my honest review of Comet Browser, including what it does well, where it still needs improvement, and whether I think it's worth switching from your current browser. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll notice after installing Comet Browser is its clean and modern interface. It feels familiar enough that you won't spend hours trying to figure out where everything is, especially if you're coming from Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Navigation is smooth, pages load quickly, and the overall browsing experience feels responsive. One of the biggest highlights of Comet Browser is its built-in AI features. Instead of opening multiple websites to search for answers, summarize articles, or understand content, you can interact with the AI directly inside the browser. This can save a lot of time if you frequently research topics, compare products, or read long articles online. Another feature I like is how easy it is to import your data. You can quickly transfer your bookmarks, passwords, browsing history, and other settings from browsers like Chrome or Firefox, making the transition simple and hassle-free. In terms of performance, Comet Browser feels lightweight during everyday use. Opening multiple tabs, streaming videos, and browsing websites all work smoothly on modern computers. However, because the browser is still relatively new, you may occasionally encounter bugs or features that are still being improved. That's normal for software that is actively being developed. Now let's talk about privacy. Like any browser with AI-powered features, it's always a good idea to review its privacy settings and understand what data is collected before making it your primary browser. If privacy is one of your biggest concerns, spend a few minutes checking the browser's settings and privacy policy before fully switching. So, should you use Comet Browser? If you're interested in AI-powered browsing, want a fresh browsing experience, and enjoy testing new technology, then Comet Browser is definitely worth trying. On the other hand, if you rely on very specific browser extensions or need maximum stability for work, you may prefer waiting until the browser matures even further. Overall, I think Comet Browser has a lot of potential. It offers useful AI features, a clean design, and solid performance, but it's still evolving and has room for improvement. That was my honest review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tech tutorials, browser guides, and honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.